an older version of N-Central. That is a fairly well-known bug that we have fixed in recent versions of N-Central, where the basically the configuration would, the agent would corrupt its configuration and basically lose track of where it needed to check into. So you would see the Mac, you'd install, and then it would never check in because it basically blew away its configuration about where it needed to check into. So I would see what version of N-Central you are running, and if you are not on, I believe it's 2021.3, which is the latest of the 21s, then once you update to that, the Mac agent for 2021.3 works much better and is much more compatible with the newer Macs. The upcoming ones for 2022 are going to do things like make it M1 native, so a little less overhead on the newer machines, but also, as I said, sort of starting to decouple it from the server side of things. But 2021.3, I think, was the last of the ones from December, and that fixed a lot of those kinds of never checking in problems.